Hi folks, this is Tanner here. Today in this video we want to show you how to repair a bag after it's been used without making too much opening or too much work for yourself and closing up nicely, neatly so it can be used again. So this bag came back to us with a little issue on the buckle where this little clasp goes in. So the bridge broke down, fell off. We need to replace this end of the buckle. We have the replacement part here in hand, but the tricky part here is where we're going to get in to reach back of this little part, take it off, put the new one, close it up without having to ruin the bag that's been already in use, has built its own character. It looks beautiful, so we want to do it as seamlessly, as quickly as possible. So I've been inspecting before the video started. I couldn't find a nice way to open it up from outside of the bag. There is a little zipper bag here with fabric lining. I thought about getting in from here, but then this is sewn from the other side. It would be a problem to close it back up once we're done. So I'm trying to find one location that is stitched from outside so we could replicate it easily. And that's when I decided to look into the inner lining. I took it inside out and I was trying to see one place that was stitched outside, and I found it. So this part seems to be stitched outside, so I can open it from here. Only enough to put my hand in, reach there, make the change, and then smoothly close it up, sew it up again, so it's seamlessly fixed. So let's get to it. I'm going to open from the very end of it, which might be a little harder to open, but it's going to be easier to sew it back up. I have this thread cutter which comes really handy. It's a super simple, cheap tool, but makes this work very easy. So the last few steps are double to lock the stitch, taking the most time. Okay, now we can get our hands in, which is good enough for us to do the surgery. And once we're done, we're going to clean it up, sew it back up. So let's see where we go here. Can try to see the back of the thing. Okay, yeah. Actually, you can't even see. There is a piece patched up behind the piece. We're just going to lift it up, take it's sticked there. So, okay, we're going to take it out. We don't even have to remove all the way, just good enough so we can stitch back. And as you see, here's the piece is locked down. So let's open these hands up. Okay, we release the legs, clamping legs, so this should come off pretty easily now. Yep. And now we're going to put the new piece in. Just this one. And just get back in the same holes since everything is already there. Feel it in the back. Okay, it's coming right. Yep. Okay, so it came back in here. Just gonna need to put him. Okay. See? They're pretty solid. Okay, we closed it nice on the back. Now we're gonna glue that little back patch just as it was on top of the new clasp. So the old glued part is pretty clear, so we're just gluing that part without going above, so the fabric doesn't get stuck on the leather. So we're gonna air it out a little bit when it's less moist. Now we will close it up. Okay, helped us dry it much quicker. Okay, patched. It's all good. Now all we need to do is clean this part up, sew it real quick, and the surgery will be done in a few minutes. Alright, so we stitched it back. It looks pretty good. It's not very apparent that we got into this bag, and now it has a new clasp which will function just like new. Let's test it out real quick. It's solid. Okay, goes in and out. Yep. Alright, yeah, this was not too bad. Well, I wish the accessory quality was better. We are constantly trying to select the best hardware we can get, but sometimes things happen, things break, and you know, we're always here to fix it. Some customer of us got back to us saying that that broke, and we got it in to fix it real quick. Took a while for me to get back to this, but that wasn't too bad. Hopefully he will enjoy his bag in years to come. I hope it was helpful, and whenever you're working on a bag like this to fix something that needs to go inside, always try to find the easiest way to get in, thinking that you have to sew it back again. So begin with the end in mind. That helps. Thank you.